Best 3D printer. Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max is a fast, precise, and highly capable SLA 3D printer designed to meet the needs of hobbyists, enthusiasts, and professionals alike. It excels in automatic resin handling, allowing users to focus on printing rather than setup or maintenance. Whether you're creating intricate miniatures or large-scale models, this printer delivers exceptional detail and consistent results. Its remote monitoring feature makes it easy to track progress from anywhere, while its advanced resin management operates quietly in the background, enabling clean and efficient prints. The M7 Max's cutting-edge light source system supports calibration files down to 10 microns, ensuring remarkable precision and surface quality for every project. Despite its high-end capabilities, it is priced competitively, making it an excellent value for both personal and professional use. Who it's for? Professionals, with near-industrial-grade build quality, reliable operation, and the ability to render fine details, the Mono M7 Max is ideal for rapid prototyping, short-run manufacturing, or any application where precision matters. Enthusiasts, artists and hobbyists will appreciate its sub-$1000 price, intuitive user interface, and powerful resin management. The printer conceals complex technology beneath an approachable UI, allowing users to move seamlessly from unboxing to finished prints with minimal interaction with resin. Specifications: 3D printing technology, stereolithography. Materials, resin. Print colors, 1. Extruders, 1. Frame, closed. Max build area, 11.7 by 6.4 by 11.8 in. Top resolution, 10 microns. Interfaces, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, USB. Dimensions, 25.7 by 16.7 by 14.3 in. Weight, 52.91 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. The Anycubic Photon Mono M7 Max combines precision, versatility, and user-friendly operation, making it a standout choice for anyone seeking high-quality resin prints. Number 2. Bambu Lab A1. The Bambu Lab A1 is the flagship 3D printer from a company known for pioneering filament-based multicolor printing. It combines a 4-color printing capability with a large, versatile print bed and an easy-to-switch nozzle system, all at a competitive price point. Designed for both convenience and quality, the A1 allows users to get started quickly while producing consistently excellent prints. The printer works seamlessly with Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system, which can be added as an optional accessory to the $399 base model or comes included in the A1 combo package, priced at $559. This makes it easy for users to explore multicolor printing right out of the box. Who it's for? Beginners, the A1 is a strong choice for those new to 3D printing. Its straightforward setup, intuitive interface, and reasonable price make it approachable, while the A1 combo version provides the added benefit of Bambu Lab's 4-color spool system, allowing newcomers to experiment with multicolor prints immediately. Hobbyists, more experienced users and hobbyists will appreciate the printer's large build area and ability to produce high-quality, detailed prints. Its reliability, versatility, and innovative features make it an excellent addition to any 3D printing workflow. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials, PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors, 4, with optional spool system. Extruders, 1. Frame design, open. Maximum build area, 10 by 10 by 10 in. Interfaces, Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions, 16.93 by 15.16 by 16.14 in. Weight, 18.3 pounds. Warranty, 1 year. Overall, the Bambu Lab A1 delivers a balance of accessibility, print quality, and multicolor capability, making it an excellent choice for beginners and hobbyists alike. Number 3. Bambu Lab A1 Mini. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is an affordable and highly capable 3D printer that makes multicolor printing accessible and straightforward. With an optional add-on module, the printer can handle up to 4 different colored filaments, allowing users to create vibrant, multicolor designs with ease. Despite its small size, the A1 Mini delivers high-quality prints at a relatively fast speed, making it ideal for both casual users and hobbyists. Its intuitive setup process ensures that you can get started quickly, and in testing, it remained reliable and trouble-free throughout the printing process. Who it's for? Beginners. The A1 Mini is perfect for those new to 3D printing. It comes almost fully assembled, and the user-friendly interface makes it simple to start printing quickly. The version we tested, the combo model, includes the 4-color add-on module, enabling beginners to experiment with multicolor prints right out of the box. Its ease of use and reliability make it an excellent choice for anyone looking to dive into 3D printing without frustration. Budget-minded hobbyists. For hobbyists who want quality prints without breaking the bank, the A1 Mini is an ideal option. Selling for under $400, it is one of the most affordable 4-color fused deposition modeling (FDM) printers available. It offers a smooth out-of-the-box experience, simple operation, and strong print performance, making it a standout choice for those seeking value and versatility. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication (FFF). Materials: PLA, PTG, TPU, PVA. Print colors: 4. Extruders: 1. Frame design: closed. Maximum build area: 70.9 by 70.9 by 70.9 in. Top print resolution: 100 microns. Interfaces: Wi-Fi, microSD card. Dimensions: 13.7 by 12.4 by 14.4 in. Weight: 12.12 pounds. Warranty: 1 year. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini combines affordability, ease of use, and multicolor printing capabilities, making it a versatile choice for beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists alike. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus. If you want to create large-scale 3D prints without spending a fortune, the Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus is an excellent option. This open-frame 3D printer offers a generously sized build area, which is rare for machines under $500, allowing users to produce jumbo prints with ease. In our testing, the Neptune 4 Plus successfully printed over 20 objects with consistently very good quality. While some basic assembly is required, the process is straightforward, and once set up, operating the printer is simple and reliable. To get started, make sure to purchase at least one filament spool or choose a bundle that includes filament. Who it's for? Beginners. The Neptune 4 Plus is a solid choice for those new to 3D printing who don't mind a little hands-on setup. Its open-frame design exposes motors, belts, cables, the print bed, extruder, and filament feed, making it easy to understand how the printer works. Assembly and watching it in action offer a practical learning experience. Despite its accessible design, the Neptune is capable of producing impressively large and high-quality prints, making it a rewarding printer for newcomers. Cash-strapped hobbyists. Hobbyists on a budget will appreciate the Neptune 4 Plus. It supports a wide range of filament types, delivers sizable prints, and comes at a very modest price, making it one of the best value printers in its class. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused deposition modeling, FDM. Materials: ABS, PLA, nylon, PTG, ASA, TPU. Print colors: 1. Extruders: 1. Frame design: open. Maximum build area: 15.2 by 12.6 by 12.6 in. Top print resolution: 100 microns. Interfaces: USB thumb drive, Wi-Fi. Dimensions: 25.2 by 21 by 22.8 in. Weight: 32 pounds. Warranty: 1 year. The Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus delivers large prints, solid quality, and strong value, making it ideal for both beginners and budget-conscious hobbyists. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3. The Creality Ender-3 V3 is an excellent option for curious tinkerers and newcomers looking for a hands-on introduction to 3D printing. This budget-friendly open-frame printer offers notable improvements over previous Ender-3 models, including faster print speeds, automatic calibration, and enhanced cooling. While it's not entirely without quirks, some users may notice noise, vibration, and a print bed that benefits from glue or surface preparation. It remains a highly capable and affordable machine for hobbyists and beginners. Its compact footprint makes it ideal for small workspaces without compromising print quality. Who it's for? Beginners. The Ender-3 V3 is a perfect starter printer for those new to 3D printing. Its open-frame design allows users to see the extruder, motors, and print bed in action, providing an excellent hands-on learning experience. Assembly is straightforward, and the printer produces fast, high-quality prints, giving newcomers confidence as they explore the world of 3D printing. Budget buyers, for hobbyists or anyone looking for a second or backup printer, the Ender-3 V3 is an affordable yet capable option. It offers reliable performance, a modest price, and a relatively small footprint for an open-frame machine, making it an ideal choice for cash-conscious buyers who don't want to compromise on quality. Specifications: 3D printing technology, fused filament fabrication, FFF. Materials: PLA, TPU, PTG, ABS, PLSEF, PTGCF, CR carbon. Print colors: 1. Extruders: 1. Frame design: open. Maximum build area: 7.8 by 7.8 by 9.8 in. Top print resolution: 350 microns. Interfaces: Wi-Fi. Dimensions: 14 by 14.7 by 19.6 in. Weight: 17.2 pounds. Warranty: 12 months. The Creality Ender-3 V3 balances affordability, ease of use, and reliable performance, making it an excellent choice for beginners and budget-conscious 3D printing enthusiasts alike.